Exceptional, very good value hotel between the Tagum transportation terminal and the city center. Very clean and excellent friendly staff. Only negatives were that rooms at the front of the hotel, including the larger suite rooms, are very noisy as the windows offer very little in the way of noise insulation, so pack some earplugs. Also, the internet was often very slow, but then this is the Philippines and that is fairly normal. Minor improvements can be made. Great staff, overall nice stay. Internet connection can be improved. Bathrooms/toilets can be cleaned better, although clean when we arrived. Use soap and towel from past guests were left in the bathroom. Intercom was not working in one of the 2 rooms we booked. Short ride from the bus terminal. Easy to get a ride from the hotel to other parts of the city. The staff allowed us to check in early without extra cost. Very helpful staff. Need for instructional aids. Have a hard time watching cable TV, no instructional aids to operate cable TV, and to call someone at the lobby by room phone for complaints. Value for money, internet connection can be improved.